So today we will be looking into why we still are early into crypto or Web3. The crypto market is currently around $2 trillion. The tech bubble was $6.7 trillion at the peak. The money supply was $27 trillion when the tech bubble peaked, and it's current at $96 trillion. This results that going from $2 trillion to $24 trillion is still massive, and the money printer are still going hot. So how did I get to these numbers? In 2001, the tech bubble hit $6.7 trillion, with the global money supply was $27 trillion, which means that 25% of the total global money supply at the peak mania. Then take this 25% and multiply with current global money supply of $96 trillion, and there you have the crypto market cap of $24 trillion. So what is your competition in Web3 and crypto? You're looking at a really lightweight competition still, since most have no clue what is coming. This will be the largest generational wealth transfer in human history of the next 14 years. Most people are still stuck in stuff like investing for 13% return, which does not even beat the current inflation, and also the Bitcoin maxi newsletters. While I do love Bitcoin, and I still think you should be investing in a diversifying set of assets, just in case there are a few years of volatility, people are so behind. Okay, so what about Bitcoin and other crypto broadly? The masses has woken up to Bitcoin, and that means they are aware of what it actually is. Still, most think that it's a computer coin in vaporware, but still they are starting to admit a bit of defeat. So this can be seen as Bitcoin is now a safe haven, and it is an institutional grade investment asset. The conversation around Bitcoin being worth zero is essentially gone now. Therefore, you are seeing a lot of stability in the news coverage around the orange computer coin. Take a look at this search interest in the last 5 years from the Google Trends. As you can see, we still haven't hit the interest from 2017 so far, almost, but not yet. You can also see the range in the search interest. I do expect that the interest in Bitcoin will pop up again when it hits new highs. Still, if we compare 2017 to 2001, the price was still 3 times as high as it was back then, and still the search interest is lower than it was back then. So people are still a bit behind here. So take a look at Ethereum. You can see that there is still limited interest there. While it did spike when the new all-time high was hit, it was still short-lived, and an interest crashed 50% shortly after. So the conclusion here, we know that search interest is still low. Bitcoin is seen as a safe, and people have finally started to figure out Ethereum. This is all basic data that is for free. If you want to spot check this, go ahead and type SHIB into Google Trends. You will find an outrageous spike and a massive fall anticipated due to the decline. Of course, I do not own any SHIB, I only mention it to make a point here. Make sure to subscribe to not miss out on the greatest generational wealth transfer in human history. You are warned.